Let me give you the number one reason why you're not learning digital skills. It's not your age. It's not lack of time. It's actually bad teaching methods. Here's how to learn properly. So here's what happened. I met this guy, Michael. He's 47, former sales manager, smart guy, decades of experience. But he told me something that broke my heart. He said, "Peter, I've tried everything. YouTube tutorials, online courses. Even asked my daughter for help. Nothing works. I feel stupid." But here's the thing. Michael isn't stupid. The system is broken. See, most digital marketing courses are designed by 25-year-olds for 25-year-olds. They assume you grew up with smartphones. They skip the basics. They use tech jargon, like it's a foreign language. It's like trying to learn piano from someone who only teaches advanced jazz, when you don't even know where middle C is. But here's what's crazy. When I showed Michael my age-adapted learning method, everything changed. Instead of throwing 50 tools at him, we started with one. Instead of technical mumbo-jumbo, we used plain English. Instead of racing through concepts, we built them step by step. 3 months later, Michael just landed a digital marketing role with a $15,000 raise. He's now teaching other people his age. The guy who felt too old is now the expert. Everyone asks for advice. And that's not even the best part. The best part is what he told me last week. "Peter, I don't just understand digital marketing. Now I finally feel confident again." Here's the truth nobody talks about. Your age isn't the problem. Your experience is actually your superpower. You understand people better than any 22-year-old fresh out of college. You know how to solve real problems. You just need someone to teach you the right way. The question is, how much longer will you let bad teaching methods hold you back from the career you deserve? If you're ready to learn digital marketing in a way that finally makes sense, with real support, real clarity, and real results, then go to skilloradigital.com. That's skilloradigital.com, and see how people over 40 are finally learning the smart way and building careers they actually love. Click the link in the description, and let's get you started the right way.